Hello, I'm Prince Noah P. Fabio, and I'm excited to apply for the paleontologist entry-level position in your STEAM company. I recently graduated in Mapua University with a degree in Bachelor of Science and Geology, batch 2028. I honed my skills through a summer internship in 2027 where I had the opportunity to work in environmental engineering and geology. During my internship, I gained valuable experience in environmental engineering, focusing on tasks such as soil and water quality analysis, environmental impact assessments, and contributing to projects to mitigate ecological issues. And this exposure enhanced my geophysics and computer science skills, which wonderfully complement the field of paleontology. After completing my training, I continue to refine my skills by immersing myself in various projects at the Pioneer Trail Regional Museum, focusing on paleontological research and analysis outside of academia and work. I'm an avid morning person. I start my day with activities such as playing basketball, jogging, and engaging in calisthenics workouts. Additionally, I find a peaceful place in nature which also helps me cope with stress and managing mental health. My ultimate goal is to dig deeper into Earth's history, collaborating with fellow scientists to explore and unravel the mysteries behind these natural disasters. I aspire to contribute significantly to understanding and addressing this phenomenon to ensure a safer and more sustainable future for all. I'm genuinely excited about contributing my skills and passion to your team. Thank you for your considering my application. And I'm happy to anticipate the possibility of contributing to your company's mission and especially to the scientific community. And I'm happy to anticipate the possibility of contributing to your company's mission and especially to the scientific community.